Hi, I'm Gareth, Product Manager at Field Controls. Thank you for purchasing your TRIO portable air purifier. In this video, we'll be walking through the unboxing and setup of your portable unit. To begin, we'll need to remove the packaging from the filter. To do this, we lay the unit down on its back, remove the clips, and pull off the front panel. Remove your filter from the unit, remove it from the bag. Once you've removed the filter from the plastic bag, place the filter back in the unit with the tabs facing up, following the directional arrows here. Next, put the front panel back on the unit. Looking at the 3 tabs here, aligning with the top of the unit, insert the tabs, move down, pull the tabs back, and push to close. Now that you've set the unit up, plug the power cord into the wall. We recommend placing the unit away from the walls to allow for adequate airflow into the front of the unit, as well as out of the exit vane. The TRIO Portable features 2 modes, manual and sleep. In manual mode, the VOC sensor picks up the quality of the air in the room and adjusts automatically the fan speed. The quality of the air in the room is shown in the color indicator here. In sleep mode, button here, dims all the lights on the unit and reduces the fan speed to a quiet level. The unit also features a UV light and filter life indicator, which help indicate when to replace both of them. For the filter, green indicates the filter's been running for 0 to 5 months, orange indicates the filter's been using 5 to 6 months, and red indicates that the filter is being used for longer than 6 months and it's time to replace the filter. For the lamp, green indicates the lamp has been running for 0 to 11 months, orange indicates the lamp has been running for 11 to 12 months, and red indicates that the lamp is ready for replacement. The TRIO also features a VOC sensor, which will automatically ramp up the fan speed if it picks up poor air. The quality of the air is indicated by the color here. Green means good, yellow means poor, and red means unhealthy. We highly encourage you to keep to the filter and lamp replacement schedules to maintain optimal performance of your portable, as well as delivering cleanest air. Please follow us and watch the other videos to learn more about your TRIO portable.